にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video 127 and we are going to continue with te form and くれます. In my previous video, grammar 126, I explained about te form and あげます and もらいます. So I continue today with te form and くれます. I also recommend you to watch my grammar video 20, くれます only くれます. That's gonna be the base of this lesson. The verb to give, like I give a present, we use あげます But when I receive a present, I can use もらいます or くれます. Look at this drawing. This is 私 me 私 This is father 父 and here this is mother 母. When my father or my mother gives me something to me, so indirect object to me. When this is to me, we don't use the verb あげます but we use くれます. When we use this verb くれます it means and to indirect objects to me, but not only me or my family, my friends, or my staffs, someone who belongs to me. My mother gave me necklace. Then we can say 母は私にネックレスをくれました. But when we use くれます this is to me. So I can omit this 私に. It means 母はネックレスをくれました. When I receive some presents, I can use the verb もらいます or くれます. Both meaning the same, but the grammatical structure changes. Now I'm gonna use with もらいます. I receive, so the subject will be 私は from whom 誰に母にこれを何を what ネックレスをもらいました. I got a necklace from my mother. And now 誰が someone who 母が and here the subject and it's gonna be が or は母が or 母は私に but we can omit it これをネックレスをくれました. When we use くれます then the important is who gives me some presents. Who? So the who, the subject が or subject は these two particles that we use with subject. But when we use もらいます then the object in indirect object from whom we use the particle に. Now we use te form of the verb. This is action and くれます. In this case, someone gives me not a present, not a thing, but someone gives me some action. Other difference between もらいます and くれます. もらいます I received some favor from someone. So maybe I asked him to do me some favor. Or maybe he did the favor without anything. But with もらいます it can be that I asked him before. But with くれます in this case, his own initiative and he gave me something and I didn't ask for anything. And this is the sensation that I feel with もらいます and くれます. My younger sister did me a favor to send me a delicious nori. This is seaweed called nori. Nori in kanji is like this. Nori. This is umi, the sea. And ri, this is koke. It means moss. So the sea moss. Nori, seaweed. I'm gonna make two versions of this sentence. 妹においしい海苔を送ってもらいました。妹においしい海苔を送ってもらいました。In this case, it could be, I asked my sister to send me some delicious nori because here it's not so delicious. So please send me. So she did me a favor sending me this delicious nori. Now I'm gonna use the sentence with kuremasu. In this case, very important. Who sent me this nori? My little sister. My little sister sent me delicious nori. 妹が妹は美味しい海苔を送ってくれました。妹が美味しい海苔を送ってくれました。So the meaning of the sentence is quite the same, and the deed is the same. But when we use くれます, the importance is who sent me. Who? So 妹が or 妹は。My friend came to pick me up at the airport. Or my friend did a favor to pick me up at the airport. Airport, we can say in two ways. One, 飛行場. It means the place where there are planes, 飛行機. Or 空港, this is airport. Because 空, 空. This is the sky, the air. And 港, this is the port. So airport, 空港. But anyway, both 飛行場, 空港, airport. The verb 迎えます. It means to welcome someone. The verb to come to pick me up. 迎えに来ます. And if to go to pick someone up, 迎えに行きます. Do you remember this structure with the particle に for what? Or in order to what? In this case, 迎えに来ます to pick me up. But with this structure, the verb is 行きます to go or 来ます to come. And in the case of the verbs, verb must form and without must. In this case, 迎えます。迎えに来ます。come to pick me up. Or subject に行きます or 来ます。友達に空港まで迎えに来てもらいました。友達に空港まで迎えに来てもらいました。In this sentence, I asked my friend to come to pick me up. I asked him, and he did me a favor. 友達は空港まで迎えに来てくれました。友達は空港まで迎えに来てくれました。In this sentence, maybe I didn't ask him anything, but for himself, he did this favor. He came to pick me up. Now you know the difference of this nuance between もらいます and くれます. Anyway, in English, you translate just as the same way. It means in both sentences, in English, you say only, my friend came to pick me up to the airport. Once you understood these differences of nuance, then I'm going to tell you only one sentence in English, and let's make two different sentences in Japanese. My friend helped me with moving house. The word for moving house, we say 引っ越し with two, small two with the jump sound, 引っ越し. But when we use with kanji, there are three ways to write. The first, this hi and small tsu and ko and shi, 引っ越し, so 4 letters. But sometimes we can omit this small tsu and 引っ越し, but still the pronunciation is the same with tsu, 引っ越し. And also, there's a case without tsu and without shi and 引っ越し. So there are three ways, but the pronunciation is always 引っ越し. The verb to help 手伝います。This is group 1. So, 手form 手伝って with two small 2 and jump sound 手伝って。So, someone helped me 手伝ってくれました。友達に引っ越しを手伝ってもらいました。友達に引っ越しを手伝ってもらいました。友達は、友達が引っ越しを手伝ってくれました。友達は引っ越しを手伝ってくれました。友達が引っ越しを手伝ってくれました。Look at this drawing. This girl with a black short hair, this is me. And this is a friend, 林さん。林さん cooked for me. 林さんに料理を作ってもらいました。林さんに料理を作ってもらいました。林さんは料理を作ってくれました。林さんは料理を作ってくれました。My father bought me a handbag. お父さんにハンドバッグを買ってもらいました。お父さんにハンドバッグを買ってもらいました。お父さんはハンドバッグを買ってくれました。お父さんはハンドバッグを買ってくれました。A restaurant staff made us some pictures. Store employee, store clerk, or a restaurant staff or customer staff, we say 店員 or 店員さん. And this kanji comes from 店. This is 店, shop, store. And this in, it means members. So, literally, store members. This is 店員 or 店員さん。店員さんに写真を撮ってもらいました。店員さんに写真を撮ってもらいました。店員さんは写真を撮ってくれました。店員さんは写真を撮ってくれました。So when someone does a favor for us, we use the form of the verb, the action verb, and くれます。Now a quiz time with only 3 questions, 3 translations into Japanese. Well, I'm gonna tell you 3 sentences in English, but I want you to write them down in 6 Japanese sentences because I want you to use もらいます and くれます in one sentence, okay? 1番目 My mother bought me a nice jacket. One translation using もらいます and the other one using くれます the same meaning. 2番目 A teacher explained us a difficult problem. 3番目最後です。My elder sister made us a reservation for a hotel. I hope you understand how to say when someone did some favor to you, some favor to me. If you liked this video and if you want me to go on loading up more videos like this, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. If you can, please share my videos with your friends so that my channel can grow up. いかがでしたか？今日は動詞のて形、そしてその後にくれますを使う表現を勉強しました。誰か親切な人が私にとって私たちにとっていいなと思うことをしてくれるという表現です。そして文法の動画の126番目、ちょうどこの前の動画でて形にもらいます を習いましたが、そのてけいともらいます、てけいくれます。これのニュアンスの違いも見てきました。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは皆様が日本語を勉強するときに少しでも役に立てるように詳しく説明するビデオをたくさん上げていきます。日本語をどんどん学んで、そして日本が好きになってくださったらいいなと思っています。どうぞ私のチャンネルを応援してください。そのためには他の友達にも私のビデオをシェアしてください。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあねー。